For writing, when you are going in and editing your paper, there are lots of things that you need to remember, but if you'll take them one at a time, you'll be okay. Now, one thing that you can do is you can click on any word and you can right-click that, you can copy it, and then you can hit Control F. Control F will pop up, and it just depends on where you are. But in this sense, or in this program, it's going to pop up this little box right here. I can put anything in there that I want to find. So the F means find. So Control F on anything that is Windows. I don't know what it's going to be for Mac, but I'm sure you can find that very easily. So what I want to find is I want to find anything that I might need to replace. So in order to check for things like first person, I might want to type you. So I type the word you, and it's going to find, oh, look at there. It found that I used the word you when I was talking about chunk 6. So it's going from where I am, or where I was currently, onward. Now notice, this is the 178th out of 205 instances of the word you. So I'm going to go to the next one. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's another one. And it will keep going as you're clicking it. It will keep noting each of your instances of the word you. Now certainly, I've used it in the word your because I'm referring to the student in the instructions for the paper. But this is a super easy way to find all of those instances that you need to find. Okay? When you're done, you can just exit out. All right, so now we're going to go back up to writing. I know this seems elementary, but we have to remember that we cannot begin a sentence with anything that means there's something on the other side of it. Anytime you have and, or but, or, what are those again? Anybody remember? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunctions. There we go. So conjunctions, you'd never, ever begin a sentence with a conjunction because it means in addition to, or the word but with exception to. So there has to be something on the other side of it. Or this or that, not just or and beginning the sentence. So watch out for conjunctions. Remember that the word but means there should be an exception, an opposition, or a contrast. Okay? However means, oh, on the other hand, yet, instead of, nevertheless, that means this one, but that one, look, they're all the same. Now, here's a really cool thing, though, is that you don't use but all the time. You can use, however, on the other hand, yet, nevertheless. They're all kinds of synonyms for but. Because and since. Because of this, we won't do that. Since this, we won't do that. So you have to think, what are on either side of the because or the since? How means in what manner or to what extent. Now, here's the problem. It often is replacing the word that. You don't want to do that. The word that is probably the most overused word that is completely unnecessary. So look for how. See if you can replace it. See if you can take it out. Then look for all the instances of that and see if you can change them. Nor is part of or. So this or that, this, neither this nor that. So you have either or, neither nor. We went over that in the grammar. Therefore means for this reason. Therefore so is therefore this, so that. Though and although, know the difference. Though means notwithstanding, although means in spite of. When and while. While is a lapse of time. When is a date or a period. Okay? Just some very strange things that people tend to not think about when they're writing.